Hello guys, if you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Sai Siddharth and in this channel I'll be doing origami tutorials, drawing tutorials and much more. Okay, so today we'll be learning how to make a square paper out of a A4 sheet. Alright, bring this edge to this edge. Okay, now turn the paper over. You can see this edge, right? You have to bring it till you can see the edge at the back. This one. Okay, so go. It's pretty good. So you have to make this accurate for it to be a square sheet. Got this right. Now open everything up. So this is the square sheet. So how to actually make it into a square sheet? You have to cut this part off. Okay, so let's just do it. There's a link in the description how to cut papers very accurately and precisely. So just make sure you watch that. Okay, so there you go. Cut. So there you go. You got a paper. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.